Just want to show you the new temporary location for Mouse Gear. The old location back there is closed now. This is where Intervention was, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've definitely seen videos in there. I've seen a little bit what it looks like now with the Mouse Gears being there. It looks totally different. You would never know that. Just a few months ago, Colortopia and Take a News Break was in there, and the remnants of the Vision House. So let's head on in, check it out. Actually, in there is where I interviewed Am the Wool and World of Micah. Let's head on in. I already tell it looks very different. Wow, yeah. Vision House is right here. Take a News Break was right here. And Colortopia was just right over there. They definitely didn't use all the space that they could have in here for it. Quite a bit. Wow. It amazes me. Only a few months how it's changed. Not going to go over too much of the merchandise. It's the same stuff. Basically want to show you what it looks like in here. So it amazes me how different, I tell you. Like a totally different place. I actually find it kind of sad because I liked Intervention. I thought it was interesting. But over time, they slowly got rid of it. Now it's totally gone. Hopefully, they'll eventually replace it, make it bigger and better than it was. I'm not counting on it. Look how cool that is. Probably for the art festival merchandise.
Hey, look at the mouse.
That's cool. $20 for that. Like a little bag. Neat. Oh, for the art festival, this is where you're going to get the pass holder magnet back there for free. They'll show you. The person's going to walk around here. Especially like one big room. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. But this just recently opened. I think it was this month or late last month.
Okay, I just figured he's not going to do it.
Of course, they have a lot of cool Star Wars merchandise. I bet you they got rid of all the other Intervention part that was basically just blocked off, but still there. It was back here in this section. Unless this wall is just covering it, it's still there. I can't see them keeping it when they did all this over here. There's the other door. Excuse me. Here's where the other door was. And that's still there. And then basically front door to get into the Vision House was right where that door is right there, basically.
Alright, we got through here. David noticed where she was
So all that wall was it. This is where they give them the pass holder magnets. That's why it's quite busy in here because of that. So look at this, some more. Oh, it's a t-shirt in there. That's awesome. $32.99. Okay, I just wanted to show this. Show you what it looks like. It's basically one big room now at the moment. Not nearly as cool looking as the old Mouse Gears, but this is only a temporary location. Alright, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye. I want to show you, they have some merchandise for the festival. This is basically a t-shirt in there. Segment, this is 32. And then they have A phone case. iPhone X. This is $29. Has some hats. $27.99 for these. And that's just one section for that. Let's see, they have more over here. A tumbler. This is $26.99.
Yeah, everyone over 18 has to show here. So don't feel like we're first.
Little paintbrush keychain. This is nice as glass. $16.99. Of course, they have a little plush. That's cute. That's $21.99. Of course, they have the customary Mickey Mouse headband things. These are $29.99. Of course, they have a sweatshirt, which is $69.99. Then some mugs and some other t-shirts. I'm not sure if this is a permanent or this is for the art festival too. It doesn't quite say, but it is art stuff, like basically a little bag. And it's shaped like a thing of paint. And this is $19.99, but it's cute. Don't put much in it, but I don't think that's really the point.